Good morning. Good morning, Mrs. Brenner. I come in here to see one of my favorites. One of my favorite peoples. What's on your agenda today to knock out?
Well, it's the day before payday, so...
The day before payday.
Get some money in.
Bring some cash in! All right. We'll let you be. I'm rolling on other projects, Mrs. Waters.
What do you need to do? What do you need to do with them?
Well, you got 2 zones here, back here.
What's Rudy gonna do with these?
Well, now I was wondering. You said you needed extra ones for the guys with the compressor, so I've got some.
Does Edwin still need these fittings? Okay. Are you in charge of winterization?
Nothing. I'm simple labor.
Simple. I'm simple too. We're all simple.
I'm simple labor right here. Give me a favor, put the web sync because we don't have a line now.
No?
No, password for the Wi-Fi.
Hey, Graydon? Graydon? Yes. Get, I need it from you. I need Jersey's last name so we can pick up her medications this morning. What's going on out here? What kind of shenanigans are going on out here? Huh? Rudy said that you might be pregnant and that's a part of the problem.
Oh my God.
Jersey's like, no. How many guys we got? Who'd you help yesterday?
Wilder.
Okay. Need, no, he went with Nordy yesterday. You helped Nordy yesterday.
Oh, sorry.
So, easy. Hey, you taking a guy?
Yeah.
Okay, because the rest of the guys are going to go with Nordy because they're going to help Felix. Okay. You take a guy. Wilbur, did you need a guy?
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay, Nordy. Luis. And the other guys are going to go with you to help Felix.
Yes.
Wilder's good. You're going to help Felix. Wilder's good. Jeff's good. Julio's good. Compressor running good? You're good with Benito and Radner, right? You're good? Okay. Good? Need any help today? You good?
No, I'm good.
The truck looks like it needs a bath, sir. Yeah?
Bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Nobody's gonna follow you up. You need some more?
No, this is the big light model for the gray. You have one for the clip.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll have to look into that.
I gave the last set of those connectors to Ever. The rest of them are gone. So.
What's that? Hey, girl. How you doing, lady? Good?
Yeah, the connectors for the air compressors.
Hey, be careful in that water on that second stop down in Virginia. Be careful out there. Stuff is real mucky.
Yeah, it's just they're all gone except for one little piece. So.
You talking about for winterization pieces?
Yeah.
I thought you had something in Graydon's office. I bought you that 10.
I did. There was only like we only got like 4 of each. That was it. But the guys, huh? I don't think so. I think I gave them half, maybe Ever. I mean, not Ever, but Wilder.
I think he figured out about the compressor. He's happy though.
Morning.
Good morning to you too, Dave. How are you?
Good.
Did you go to Penn State, Dave? Did you go to University Penn?
Yeah.
I thought you did. What is in there, Dave?
Lunch.
Lunch? You didn't buy me no lunch?
No.
Dave, you're not very nice this day. I know. Are you going to help this gentleman here today? He needs help with his compressor. He's got problems. Look. His name, you ever work with this guy? He don't need no help. Who you going to help today? You want help? You good? You want Dave to come and help you? So you don't get all too upset? Go help him today, Dave. And when you guys get back, see if you can wash this truck, Dave. Good Lord. Edwin, you good? Yeah. Edwin, you want to work Saturday with us? Help us with winterizations for the next 3 or 4 weeks?
Let me check. I have a schedule for Sunday. Fixing something. I coming, okay?
We could use your help Saturday.
Okay.
Because then we got Christmas lighting too for the next month. So we could use your help. So tell the guy at Popeyes, delay on Saturdays because you're busy with Bob.
No, it's okay. The Popeye is okay. No problem.
Oh, you got other work, you mean? He's got other work going on. Yeah, he's got other work going on. Hey, this truck needs a bath too, sir.
Yeah, I just got it yesterday.
You just did it yesterday.
I get it.
Oh, that's right. You just got this truck back.
Yeah.
This got brand new transmission in it.
Yeah.
We got transmissions, new trucks, old trucks, all kind of trucks. We got 27 trucks. You good?
Yeah.
You should get your truck back, what, tomorrow? From the shop? This time of year it takes a big toll because everybody's rolling. You know, how's this transmission? Good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. You too.
Edwin, let me know later about Saturday. Let me know later about Saturday.
Okay.
Okay? Benito, how you feeling, buddy? So-so? Donnie, all right, if you need anything, let me know. Jeff, you good? You going to put those lights in first? Karina. So you went to the doctor's yesterday? Okay. Do you take some medicine?
Yeah.
Okay. You feeling better a little bit?
Yeah.
So. All right. If you need anything tomorrow, let me know and we'll take you down to the dock.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Thanks, Benito. Julio, you good, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Getting this truck cleaned up a little bit? This thing's a mess. Who had this truck before you? Good Lord. Come on. All right. You guys good?
Yeah. Yeah. We got like, when you got to finish, there was like 3 or 4 of each one. That was it.
Okay.
So
all right.
just everybody's taking them, so.
Bye, Karina. Have a good day. That's Mommy Karina.
Okay.
That's Mommy. We call you Mommy Karina. We call you Mommy Karina.
Hello, Mr. Bob.
Hello and goodbye.
Bye.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.